up, guys? It's Cody over at Form First Fitness, just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we are going to talk about shoot-throughs. So a shoot-through is a core and hip dominant movement. We are going to start in a bear crawl position, okay? So we are not in a plank, we're walking those feet up, we're pressing firmly through the ball of the foot, knees are hovering off of the ground. From here, you are going to shoot one leg through as the opposite hand comes up and that hip lightly touches. Notice my foot is going to stay hovering off the ground and I'm trying to keep it as straight as possible, not letting it come back, okay? And then all we're gonna do from there, pick up that hip by pressing on the back leg, shoot it back through as I bring the opposite hand back down. So I'm now in this knee hovering position again. I'm going to switch sides, so my right leg is going to shoot through, nice light hip touch, leg stays straight, and I come back. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.